Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us solve this question here. So can you see the exponents? They are in decimals. So now what we are going to do first, we will take 9, 8.6. Again where you can see 9, you can see over here. So that is going to be multiplied by 9, 3.9. First we'll bring it together. Then this 8 and 8. And this will keep at the side. And here we don't know, there is a question mark over here. So now let us put that as x. So here now look at here, the bases are the same. So in exponents now, whenever there is the base same is, you know the formula a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to n plus n. So we are going to add this one. Same from here, you are going to add this one. So now let us do 8.6 plus 3.9 multiplied by 8 into 3.9 plus 8.6 into 72 raised to 4.4 is equal to 72 raised to x. So now what is this going to be? 9 raised to, when you add this, it is going to be 12.5 into 8 raised to, again, this also is the same. That will be 12.5 into 72 raised to 4.4 is equal to 72 raised to x. So now what will you do here further? So now we can see here the exponents are the same. So what are you going to do? You are going to multiply this base. So now you can write same this one as, you can write 12.5 common for both of them into 72 raised to 4.4 is, sorry for this one, it should be 72 raised to x. So this is going to be 72 raised to x. So here now again what will you do here? 72 raised to 12.5, because you are going to multiply this and this one. Again you already have this one, 72 raised to 4.4 is equal to 72 raised to x. Now again what you can see here, the base is the same. So you are going to write here 72 raised to 12.5 plus 4.4. So this is 72 raised to x. So now since on the both sides the bases are the same, means the exponents also should be the same. So that will be 72 raised to 16.9 is 72 raised to x. So what is that going to be? So ignore the base because both are the same. So x is going to be 16.9. So this is the answer. So by this one we have completed today's question over here. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other part. Thank you.